design thinking 5 stages. First one, empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test. Now I am talking about prototype. A design thinking prototype is a tangible representation of an idea or solution that is tested and refined through iteration and general outline, creating design thinking prototype. A prototype, low fittable prototype, a simple, rough, and for example, paper, structure, wireframe. Medium is more refined, interactive, and functional digital mockup. Third one, high quality, highly functionable prototype working models. Design thinking prototype process. What is called design thinking process? Empathize, understand the problem, your need and pain points. Define the problem statement and identify key challenges. Ideate, generate ideas and concept. Prototype, create a tangible representation of the idea. uh, gather feedback from the user and stakeholder. Refine and review the prototype based on feedback. Prototype development, identify key features and functionality. Determine prototype scope and limitation. Choose materials and tools, for example, paper, digital tools, 3D printer. Create the prototype. Test and define the prototype. Prototype evaluation criteria: usability, fixability, accessibility. These are the criteria. Tools for prototyping: digital tools, Sketch, Figma, Adobe XD, Innovation. Physical tools: paper, cardboard, foam board, 3D printing. Hybrid tools: interactive wireframe, clickable prototypes. Best practice: keep it simple and focused, test early and often, and iterate of refine, involve stakeholder and user, document and reflect on the process. For example, uh, problem: improving the user experience for ordering food online. A mobile app prototype with user interface, wireframe, interactive ordering flow, payment gateway simulation, feedback machine. Testing is conduct user testing with a 5 to 10 participation to.
Prototype is a tangible representation of an idea or a solution that is tested and refined through iteration. Here is a general outline for creating a design thinking prototype. Prototype types: low fidelity prototype, LFP, simple, rough and inexpensive. Example: paper, sketch, wireframes. Medium fidelity prototype, MFP, more refined, iterative and functional. Example: digital mockups, clickable prototypes, etc. High fidelity prototypes, high detail, realistic and testable. Example: functional prototypes, working models. Design thinking prototype process: empathize, understand the problem, user needs and pain points. Define the problem statement and identify key challenges. Ideate, generate ideas and concepts. Prototype, create a tangible representation of the idea. Test, gather feedback from users and stakeholders. Iterate, refine and revise the prototype based on feedback. Prototype development, identify the key features and functionalities, determine prototype scope and limitation, choose materials and tools, create the prototype, test and refine the prototype. Then prototype evaluation criteria: usability, feasibility, desirability, viability, accessibility. Tools for prototyping: digital tools, Sketch, Figma, Adobe XD, InVision. Physical tools: paper, cardboard, foam boards, 3D printing. Hybrid tools: interactive wireframes, clickable prototypes. Best practice: keep it simple and focused, test early and often, iterate and refine, involve stakeholders and users, document and reflect on the process. Examples of a design thinking prototype: problem: improving the user experience for ordering food online. Prototype, a mobile app prototype with user interface wireframes, interactive ordering flow, payment gateway stimulation, feedback mechanism. Testing, conduct user testing with 5 to 10 participants to gather feedback on usability.